Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with the gel bottle ink in the color Queen Bee, and I'll also be using the Young Nails micro detailer brush, and I'm going to apply this all over my pinky and half of my ring finger and half of my middle finger, and then cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with that same beautiful color, Queen Bee, and I'm just going to do a second coat on everywhere where I just placed it, and then I'm going to cure it again in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'll be going in with the gel bottle inks color Blue Spruce and obviously the micro detailer brush again, and I'm just going to be applying this on all over my pointer finger and then the other half of my ring finger and my middle finger, but obviously leaving the middle clear, and then I'm going to cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with that same color, Blue Spruce, and I'm going to do a second coat and then cure it again in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'll be going in with the gel bottle inks color Vegas and the Young Nails micro detailer brush, and I'm going to fill in like all the spots that are not filled in, and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And I kind of like how this design came together. It was like very abstract, something different, and I felt like it was very spring, so I really liked it. And now I'm going to go in with the Kiara Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm going to apply that on the nails with like kind of the design, and then I'm going to be taking the gel bottle inks matte top coat and I'm going to apply it on the plain nails and then give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.